Hello friends, we are going to see the difference between circuit and network. If this is an electrical representation, electrical system, and we have been asked like this is network or this is circuit. To define whether it is circuit or network, we have to know the definition. So what is the definition of circuit? All the elements in any circuit should be actuating, and in network it is not necessary that every element should be actuating. Like here in this circuit, if you will consider this part is your what? Circuit, because this 1 ohm and 2 ohm is actuated by this 5 volt, but this 2 ohm is not actuated by this 5 volt. So this is your circuit, and if you will take the whole will be your what? Network. It is necessary in circuit that all the elements should be actuating, but in network it is not necessary that all the elements should be actuating. We can understand this via few examples. We will consider power system. From generation to the load, there are many transmission line in which power is not flowing. Like this is your generator and this is your transmission line. There are 3 transmission line, and into the currents are flowing. It means the inductance and resistors are actuating, but in this line the current is not flowing. It means the whole power system is a big network. But if we will be taking fan, in fan all the resistance and inductance are actuating, and there is no component that is not actuating. So the fan is your what? Electrical circuit, and big power system is your network. So we have to write this thing. A big power system is network, but fan running is circuit. This is the example of electrical engineering. We will take one example of electronics engineering also. Big communication system is your network, because every data you send that is not received by the receiver. So big communication system is your network, and your transmission system which detect the data, which catch the data, is your circuit. We will be studying the electrical circuit in the whole electrical network. So if the 2 elements are connected through one junction, that junction will be called as node. And if 2 elements are connected, simple node, and more than 2 elements are connected, will be called as principal node. So we have to keep in mind these difference between simple node and principal node. In the same way, we have to see the difference between loop and mesh. Any closed circuit is your loop. Like this can be your loop, this can be your loop, this can be your loop. But circuit is a special form of loop in which there will not be any other closed loop like this. This is your what? Mesh. This is your what? Mesh. Okay. But if you will consider this whole network, it is not mesh. This is loop, because this 2 ohm resistor comes in this closed loop. It means this is your loop, and this is your mesh number 1, and this is your mesh number 2. Thank you.